I can't hurt you? Man. I wanted to kill the bird. Man, what is with vanguards and throwing their weapon? I always see vanguards do it. I never see anyone else do it but vanguards. They always throw their main weapon. I don't get it. Oops. Oops. He threw his only weapon and it killed him. I don't get why vanguards do that. Can someone please explain? I don't understand why vanguards do that.
Good evening.
I didn't even mean to get that kill. How are you struggling with a downed dude? Motherfucker, I just healed! I need that shield! Dog, come here. Want me to be immediately killed. You can't even hear what I'm saying over all this. Well, I was gonna heal him. Bro, why are you coming for me? Why is half of their team on me, bro? I guess I'm not fighting that guy. Bro's controller died or something. God, you can never have a fair fight in this game. I'm the fucking idiot for thinking I could. I caught it. Nope. They followed me. Got smacked by a chicken. You fucking mind? Bro. Bye. Guys, can we stop the siege for a moment? There's a bad bitch in my DM. My block. Wait. Just keep touching the broken catapult, guys. That'll fix it. Oh wow, it fixed it. Alright, launch me in there. Send me in there, bro! Try again. God damn it. This is a bad idea. This is a very bad idea. I dodged in real life. I'm so dead here. I'm so dead here. Help! Help! No one helped. Knight just casually ignored his friend. Oh fuck! Wait. Wait, wait, please, please. Please, please. Help! Help! Someone! Fuck them chickens. Get up! Aww. Oh.